Greetings for the day. Myself, Shreya Thomas, Assistant Professor, Kristu Jayanti College, Bangalore. We will be learning about behavioral analysis techniques, and under that, we will be covering a very interesting topic about the characteristics of behavior therapy. When we talk about behavior therapy, there are several characteristics which define the behavior therapy. To begin with, we have individualized therapy. When we talk about individualized therapy, it throws light on how there are different assessment procedures that are tailored to each of the client's problem. There are specific circumstances in which the problem occurs and the client's personal characteristics, which implies that as a therapist, we come up with unique tailor-made assessment plans and interventions for our client. Moving on to the second one, that would be stepwise progression. When we talk about stepwise progression, it is important to understand that in behavior therapy, we move in terms of simple to complex, from easier to harder, or from less threatening to more threatening aspects of discussion about the client problem, which means that it is a stepwise procedure that we take part in understanding about behavior in general. Moving on to the third topic, that would be treatment packages, which means that there are several different behavior therapy procedures that are combined together as part of the treatment package to increase the effectiveness of therapy. This practice is complementary to several other different medical problems, which means that as a therapist, I would be combining medication, diet, and exercises as part of any sort of problems or concerns that the client would be discussing. And this treatment package is going to be completely unique and tailor-made for the concerns that the client would bring to us as therapists. Moving on to the fourth one, that is brevity. So when we talk about brevity, it basically throws light on how behavior therapy is going to be carried out for a brief period of time, unlike all our different contemporary therapies that are in the main field. So when we talk about brevity, it is mostly about how there are fewer number of therapy sessions, which often takes lesser time than all other therapies. So this is all about the common characteristics of behavior therapy. Let's go back and rewind about the different steps that we have learned. To begin with, the first one that we learned was about individualized therapy. The second was stepwise progression. The third was treatment packages. And last but not the least, it was brevity. Thank you so much, and we will meet in our next video.